Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Simple Shine brand. This is their Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner Kit. It's a new premium cleaning machine with liquid cleaner solution concentrate, digital sonic cleanser for watches, glasses, dental, and more. Now you see the kit in front of you, and it also includes a 4-ounce bottle of their very popular Simple Shine concentrate. And it's about a 1:5 ratio. We're going to describe how to use this and how much to use. The unit itself plugs into the wall, and it comes with this basket that will fit inside the stainless steel and a little ring holder to put your ring down on. And this will work with your watch. Now I have a watch that's not waterproof, so I'm going to use this to keep the watch electronics away from the water, but it's still going to allow me to clean the watch, which is really nice. Now let's go over some of the details about this. This still is a gentle, deep cleaning, making jewelry, watches, and more sparkle like new. Millions of tiny bubbles gently break up and lift away dirt and grime, effectively restoring luster and shine to jewelry, such as necklaces, earrings, rings, bracelets, and waterproof watches. It also cleans and sanitizes eyeglasses, toothbrushes, dentures, mouth guards, coins, shaver heads, and razors. It's safe for silver, gold, brass, copper, platinum, titanium, stainless steel, diamond, glass, and plastic. It's advanced technology. It has push-button controls, digital display, automatic shutoff, clear viewing windows. We're going to show. You can see it is cleaning in 5 cleaning cycles, and it's in seconds, and 600 seconds or 10 minutes, 480 seconds or 8 minutes, 300 seconds or 5 minutes, or 90 seconds, which is 1.5 minutes. This can accommodate different soiling level and material cleaning needs. It cleans like you bring it to a jewelry store. So this kit includes ultrasonic cleaner. It's a 35 watt, 60 hertz unit, and it holds 0.6 liters of liquid, or 2.5 cups, or 20 ounces. The basket dimension is 6 by 5 by 1.7. And it has that watch bracelet holder, ring holder, and the cleaning concentrate solution, everything you needed for a deep clean. Now, this cleaner solution that I pointed out about is safe for you on the planet. It contains no ammonia or harsh chemicals, specially formulated for deep cleaning, and allow you to use it effectively to clean everything that you're going to be cleaning. This is an excellent product to give for Christmas, birthday, graduation, anniversary gift. Man, one, boyfriend, girlfriend, mom, or dad. This company is a USA company, family owned, and they stand behind their products. They're using premium quality materials and the latest in ultrasonic cleaning technology not found in other lesser quality discount models. It's made to strict, tested, trademark standards. Now we're going to be demonstrating this. I'll be cleaning some jewelry and some mouth guards and my shaver, just to give you an example of how it works. Now this itself is concentrate, and you can measure about 5 capfuls, but I measured that to be about slightly over a tablespoon per cup. So this holds a little over 2 cups. So I'm going to put 2.5 tablespoons of this when this is to the full level, and that will give you the clean that you need. So this is unique. As you can see, this opens up, and this has an LED in there so you can see it working. Now ultrasonic is unique. It actually makes high frequency vibrations that go through whatever you're cleaning, and they hit the molecules of the metal and they unlodge it. It's quite complex how it's done, but what it's doing, it's vibrating and pulling the dirt off. And you could use this just with water. If you run out of this, you're waiting to get more, you could also use it for water, but it's more effective with this, but it'll even work with water. Now there's the inside, and what I'm going to show you is really important for something like this. So this is a magnet, and I'll show you. That's a magnet right there. It won't even come off. It's a powerful magnet. Now watch what happens when I put this magnet inside this. I want to show you that it just moves around like There's nothing going on right there. And that's important because what that's telling you, the consumer, is that this is 100% stainless steel. So there's no iron ore in there, so this is not going to rust. So you're getting a great value. Now, that covers really nice, the LED lit in there. There is the front display. You have a start, set, and stop. The set will allow you to change those different seconds, times. This allows you to stop at any time. And the start will go through and it'll count down the timer right there. Very simple to operate, and we're going to demonstrate that and show you how this works. So here I have it all set up, ready to use. I have a watch that's not waterproof, so I have a little tie on there, and I can clean the both ends of it without hopefully getting the mechanism wet. I have some wedding rings with diamonds. And they're gold, there's some silver jewelry, earrings, men's rings, just a whole bunch of stuff. And I have the concentrate put in there, the Simple Shine. Put about 2 heaping tablespoons for 2.5 cups of water. That's the ratio they recommend. And now we're going to put this into the basket, just like that. And these rings, we're going to have to remove one of them because it's not in the fluid there. And we're just going to set this in there. And then we can move that up and down to make sure we get the whole thing. But the part that I wanted to clean was the part that has the mechanism on there. So we're going to close this. Before we do that, let's just leave it open. And I'm going to show you the display, how to turn it on. So here you can see the display, and right now it's set to 180 seconds, and we can hit the set button. 300, 480, 600. We're going to put it to 600. This is the longest time on the unit. We're going to hit the start button, and if you listen, you can hear the sound of the ultrasonics vibrating the molecules in the water. Now we can take this cover, you see the nice blue LED right there, and we can just drop this down, which lowers the sound. You can hear the difference. I'm also going to show you a close-up of the water so you see the action it's taking. Now you can hear the sound of the ultrasonics. Now it's hard to see any activity, but there are little bubbles that are forming as it's vibrating the high frequency into that stainless steel plate. Now we're just going to let this run, close this up, and let it do its complete cycle. I want to show that you could hit stop at any time to stop it from going. Then you can hit the start button again, and it continues. So I did 2 600 seconds or 10-minute sessions, and you'll see how it's going to complete the cycle on its own. Let's let this end. And there it goes. It completed the whole cycle, and then it stopped. And now we have the jewelry ready and cleaned, and we can take the basket out and dry it and take a look at it. So here's the jewelry after 2 20-minute sessions. Now everything looks cleaner, especially some of the things that had some embedded dirt in them, like this man's silver ring. My wife's wedding ring looks absolutely beautiful. It wasn't that clean to start. This is her mother's wedding ring. It looks beautiful. Some of the things that have a ton of tarnish on them, it removed a large percentage of the tarnish. Now you could rub this and use some additional rubbing to get more of that tarnish off, but it did a really good job. It didn't damage the watch, and it cleaned the whole outer mechanism on there, the silver, and it did a beautiful job on all these pieces of silver jewelry. And look how clean that looks right there. That wasn't that clean when we started. So obviously it works beautifully actually. Now next thing we're going to show is how you could use it for other things, like teeth guards, toothbrushes. So I'm going to put in these two, now stain that is, teeth guards, and at the same time I'm going to put in my shaving head in there, see how it improves that too. So there I have it in there, and I'm going to hit the set button like I did before, do 600 seconds or 10 minutes, and I'm going to close the lid and let that run. Here you can see it bubbling and churning away, cleaning. And you can use this to clean toothbrushes, coins, antique coins. And what's nice is that if you don't see it visually different, you know that it's sanitized in, and that's what you want. Now after you're done using the unit, you have to pour the water out that has all the dirt in there, and I wouldn't pour it in this direction if you want to avoid the electronics. You want to pour it holding this and lifting it up and going towards either of those outer edges right there. That way you won't be spilling water over the electronics. So what's my overall impression about the Simple Shine brand, their Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner Kit? I like this product. It comes with the concentrate, comes with the plastic baskets to do your watches and your rings, and has this nice lit plastic viewing cover, the full stainless steel pan inside there, and the simplicity of use with that control function on there, the simple display. I think this is a great product. You're going to clean all your jewelry. You're going to want to use this thing all the time to keep all your stuff fresh, clean, and bacteria free. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert your new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.